In this video, I want to show you the difference between 3 different types of Coinbase. Right here in the black, that is Coinbase Pro. And I will show you that in a few minutes. Over to my left, it says Coinbase.com. Coinbase.com, this is what it looks like. And to my right, this is the Coinbase wallet that's connected to, I'll show you in a few seconds if I can bring it up, that's connected to this right there. This is the Coinbase wallet. Now, Coinbase wallet is completely different than Coinbase Pro and Coinbase.com, and I want to show you the difference right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Now, I've been meaning to do this for a while because right now Shiba is only on Coinbase wallet and it's not on Coinbase.com, which is this right here, or Coinbase Pro, which is this right here. It's not listed there, not yet, of the recording of this video. It is still in the month of July of this video. Now, when it does get listed here, you'll be able to trade, right? You'll be able to trade your actually Shiba, Bone, or Leash whenever it does get listed. I do think it will be listed in the future, but right now, it's not on there right now. So when it's get on Coinbase Pro, you'll be able to trade it just like this, and it looks just like this. You get a chance to buy it and get a chance to sell it right here. So when you hear Coinbase Pro, it looks similar to like this, and I'll have the link in the description if you can get signed up for Coinbase in general. Now, that's Coinbase Pro. It's more of a trading type platform. It's more tradings, more numbers, more graphs. This is what it looks like. Now, Coinbase.com looks like this. This is Coinbase.com. It's a little bit more, I would say, user-friendly versus the Coinbase Pro. If you're brand new, this is a little bit more user-friendly. If you're a veteran trader, then Coinbase Pro is really for you. So this is Coinbase.com. So when Shiba does get listed on Coinbase Pro, traditionally, that asset gets eventually moved over to Coinbase.com. When it's on here, you'll be able to trade it just like this. And by the way, I have the link in the description for you can sign up for your free Coinbase account if you don't already. Now, what will happen is you'll type in Shiba and it will pop up like this. Now, right now, Shiba is not on Coinbase. So when you see this, it said it's not supported on Coinbase, but it's supported on Coinbase wallet. And I'll show you that last. So this is what this will look like. When you'll see what will happen is when it says when Coinbase and Coinbase Pro list Shiba, obviously this will disappear and you'll be able to buy and sell right there. And when you buy and sell, it's very simple to do. You find your asset, you connect your bank account together like this right here by adding a payment or your bank account, and you go ahead and purchase your asset. You'll find it right here and you'll just literally look for Shiba. That's how it will look. Right now, it's just not listed, so you don't see it. But when it does, you'll be able to buy and sell your Shiba. Now, Coinbase.com is very popular. It's a decentralized exchange, a US exchange. And a lot of people love Coinbase.com because it's been around, it's user-friendly. Now, some people don't think it's user-friendly. I think it's user-friendly. And I can't wait to Shiba, Bone, and Leash if it does get on Coinbase. I'm not saying it will next week. I'm hoping it does. It's been rumors that it will be, and I do think it will happen. I believe it will happen in the future. And it'll be easy to buy and sell and convert your assets. So if you have Bitcoin and you want to convert it to Shiba, you can go ahead and do that right on this platform. So this is Shiba to me when it happens. This is Coinbase.com when you're trying to get Shiba. It's not supported, so don't try to look for it. It's not supported. Now, the last one I want to go ahead and bring up, it's not supported yet, is Coinbase Wallet. This is the Coinbase Wallet when you're looking in the Play Store and Google. So this is what it looks like, and you'll install this. Look for the Coinbase Wallet, Crypto Wallet, and the app browser. Now, when I go ahead and bring up my phone up, this is actually what they're talking about. This is, hold on, let me go up, bring it back. Bring it back. Okay, it should be back on the wallet, Bring it back on the wallet. Okay, so this is what it looks like here. So this is the Coinbase wallet. This is the home area, if I can go back to it. This is the home base of the Coinbase wallet, coins and collectibles. And when they mean by the app browser, this is where you can find your actually Shiba, Bone, and Leash. So let me go ahead and go here. I go click on Discover dApps, and it's connected with Uniswap. SHIB is connected with Uniswap through the Coinbase wallet. Now you can do this with Shibaswap, so you don't have to use Uniswap to get Shiba anymore. You can go right on Shibaswap and connect your Coinbase wallet. So I'm gonna click on Uniswap, and what happens is I want to go ahead and visit uniswap.exchange. So let me go there, and this is how you'll swap it. I'm using my phone. I'm being very transparent. So what you'll do, just like you'll do in a Shibaswap, you'll swap Ethereum, for an example, for that token. I'll go collect it here, and then Shiba. And I'll click on Shiba, and I will, let's say I'm doing maximal of my Ethereum to get Shiba. This should load up pretty good in a few seconds. It's probably just circulating. And that's how you swap. I'm using my Coinbase wallet to purchase Shiba. This is how I used to get Shiba, is through the Coinbase wallet and crypto.com and Binance. But now I go to Shibaswap to get it because why not? It's just easy to do because it's already on the platform. And right now I could go ahead and purchase this by swapping this and confirming the swap. And then what happens next will be like the fees, like it normally do, like you're used to seeing. I can pay for this, and this will go right into my Coinbase wallet. So very simple. So Shiba, let me go ahead and cancel this. So yes, that is the difference between Coinbase wallet, which you see here. You just download this on your mobile device. You go to Play Store, Android, App Store. If you got an Apple phone, you install this. Make sure you look for this. That's the Coinbase wallet. This is the Coinbase.com. It's not supported on Shiba yet, or Bone or Leash, but you really, when it does, I think it's a very easy place to buy your Shiba as well. And you can actually connect your Coinbase.com and your Coinbase wallet together. You can do that. That's why I'm waiting for this listing, because it'd be easier to really communicate with Coinbase.com, Coinbase Pro, and Coinbase Wallet. So this is the Coinbase wallet. You can buy and sell whenever it happens. Really simple and really easy. And this is the Coinbase Pro. It's more for your day trader manufacturing. It shows what's happening in real time, price chart, you can buy and sell. So this is actually a very popular area for traders to be able to do this. And this is kind of Coinbase Pro. It's definitely a different version. And so that's the difference of it, of all three versions. Which one is my favorite? I like all three of them really for different type of reasons. But for Shiba, I use the Coinbase wallet because it connects to your Shibaswap. If I go that right here, I can connect. Look at this. Boom, change this and connect my Coinbase wallet just like this. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. I hope you like this. Take this video very slowly. If you have any questions, put it in the comments. I'll try to get back to them as soon as possible. And I hope you have a good day. Click on the links below. Sign up for your free Coinbase account. You can sign up on. Just get ready for the relisting or the listing or the relisting. Whenever it happens, you have a Coinbase account. So click on the link below. Why not? Why not sign up an account? And that's how you can buy your Shiba in the future or other assets as well. And I'll see you on the next video.